Section 20 of the Audit Service Act 2000, Act 586, also further provides the Auditor General shall, within 6 months after the end of the immediately preceding financial year to which each of the accounts mentioned in this part relates, submit his report to Parliament, and shall in the report draw attention to any irregularities in the accounts audited and to any other matter which in his opinion ought to be brought to the notice of Parliament. It is worth noting that the Auditor General has previously complied with the above provisions of the Constitution and has even engaged in effort to give us up-to-date reports on audited accounts to Parliament. For instance, the reports of the Auditor General for the 2018 financial year was submitted within the statutory time limit. Unfortunately and regrettably, we cannot say so for the Auditor General for the 2019 financial year. The Auditor General has labored to ensure that all reports are submitted to Parliament within the statutory time limits as I have indicated. It is therefore sad, indeed sad, and we have cause to blame executive interference and executive intrusion that the said report for 2019 is not before Parliament. We have every reason to believe that this government is covering up to avoid a potential embarrassment of what will be revealed in the audited account for 2019.